She's also a big wing girl. The issue is, my favorite wing is the flat, which is the correct answer for your favorite wing. Are you yawning? Lord. Just dead center, just... I'm just surprised about my wing comment. What's your name?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Just gonna yawn and then dead me on the question. We're talking about wings. She also likes the flag. Oh, we're all thinking about it. There's a couch if you want to lay down. Chicken wings. So I'm performing at these bars, and sometimes she'll be like, hey, can you bring home an order of wings? And I'm like, sure. So I know that she's going to eat all the flats, so what I do is I order 2 full order of wings, eat all the flats, bring home a full order of drums, tell her they were out. Yeah, relationships are built on lies. The plane landed a little bit on that. And I'm going to be honest, we fucked it up. The plane landed, but it was sideways.